In this video, I will present for you how to manage softwares on Ubuntu. First, we have many software management systems in Ubuntu. APT, which is based on remote repository and source file, so he will retrieve files and softwares from a remote repository. The address and the URL of this repository is saved in a source list file. Second, we have DPKG, which is a software management system based on installation of .deb file. So you have to download the deb file and DPKG will manage it and will install it. Snap also is based on remote repository like APT, but is not doesn't affect your system, so it will be more reliable and less dangerous than APT when you install some softwares which are not very well configured. And the Synaptic, that it's a graphical client which is simple for use, so you can do everything graphically. We will start with DPKG. So we can use it to install. Just you type dpkg -e and the deb file, or double dash install and the deb file. You can list the installed packages using dpkg-l, and you can add a grep command to search for a specific software. You can remove software and you use dpkg-remove and the package name, so you can use it. I will show you first how to do it. Just we have to install, for example, Google Chrome, which is available on the website. So I will download Chrome, which propose .deb for Ubuntu and Debian, or RPM for Fedora Open Source. I will download the deb file. Here we have the file downloaded. So we'll open a terminal and go to the downloads folder and say sudo dpkg-e and Google. So I have typed some characters and hit tabulation. So here we are. We will install the deb file, and which will install Google Chrome, and hit enter. So he told me the administrator password. Sorry, here we had dpkg, and now he will install for us Google Chrome on our system. Okay, now we can look for Google Chrome, and here it is. Now it's fresh installed, and that's all. Now we can see the available packages installed -n. There all the softwares. Great. We hit Q, and I will filter using the grep command, ubuntu on Linux, Chrome, and that's, he will display me all the lines which contain Chrome so it's Google Chrome stable. I can remove it, so I hit sudo dpkg dash remove and the name of the package and hit enter. Now I will try to find it. Chrome, there isn't. And here how to install softwares using a deb file you downloaded from websites. The other way is the apt. The apt, it comes with Ubuntu and every Debian system. It uses a source list which contains the repository, the remote repository, where to find softwares, and another directory if you have more lists. To use apt, first you have to update, so you download the updated list of software available in your repository. Next, you can choose to install the package or to upgrade the whole system, so we will say sure there is new version of your softwares. You can list the installed packages, and you can also remove a package to clean up all packages, so when packages are not used or deprecated or you don't need them, so you can use apt auto remove. So we'll try this. So first we have to make sudo apt update. Now system will download all available packages, and it will retrieve them from many sources here. Now he tell me that there is something to upgrade, so sudo apt upgrade, and it will download. So he tell me there is a new version of Linux libc dev, which is package already installed, and it have a new version. So I hit enter and it will download it and install it. Also we can install, so we can install sudo apt and choose install. So I tell him to search, that's all, Google, quit Google Chrome stable, and I can install it. So apt will download this package and install it for us. The same thing what we have done with dpkg, which is us. We have to download the deb file and dpkg will install it. apt will do the two things. And now installation is started. And now system configuration will change it, so apt will do for us, and we will find Google Chrome, and now it's installed. That's all. No thanks. Now we can apt list, and apt will list all packages. We can use less to paginate the results, Q to quit, or we can search by keyword using grep command. It's not apt command, but it's a filter. So Chrome, we have a lot of packages called Chrome, Google Chrome Beta, and Stable. Here is it. Others are not installed, so we can add a filter to tell grep to show only installed. That's all. So the only one which contain Chrome text is Google Chrome Stable, which is installed. We can remove it. So I don't need it. Remove Google Chrome Stable, and it is. Yes, hit enter. Take, and Chrome doesn't exist anymore. We can clean up the apt to remove. So sudo apt to remove. There is nothing to upgrade, nothing newly installed, nothing to clean up. So sometimes it's good to see that. So next we have another package system for softwares. It's Snap. Snap, it can install packages for you, can list them, and can remove packages. So I will use it. For example, I will install using Snap sudo snap install, and I will choose VLC, which is a video software reader. Okay, it's installed. Now we can, okay, this is VLC. We can remove it, of course. Take. Here we don't have VLC and is removed from apt and from Snap. We can also use a graphical client, a graphical software to manage software in a graphical manner. It's more simple than using the command line. So I will install sudo apt. So I will start Synaptic. It's a graphical one. Now I can start it. Synaptic. It's a package manager. It must be root. And now you can see all available softwares, and you can search for specific one. So here it is. I can follow my full installation and start the installation. It's more simple. So you have categories. Now I can check for my SQL, and here my SQL is a database. I can check for PostgreSQL. Now we can install it, and also if you are using ubuntu, you have a software center which is called Discover. It's come with KDE, the desktop, and you can see all application that you can install in better presentation. Great. And that's all.